Oh, I'm the ski mask cowboy. I guess it's plain to see. I'm not really a cowboy, and I don't know how to ski. I wear this mask, to hide my face, 'cause all my friends say I'm just a disgrace. But I'm here right now, I hope to prove I'm wrong. I'm gonna sing you a little song. How you like it? I heard him knock at the door, and I got up. I thought to myself, oh man, now what? I opened the door, and to my surprise, stood a Mexican beauty with big dark eyes. Where she was from, it wasn't hard to guess. The patch on her shirt said UPS. With a great big smile, she said, please sign here. It was love at first sight, it was perfectly clear. She smiled again and said, have a nice day. Turned around and slowly walked away. I was looking at her bumper, and my, dirty thoughts were running through my mind. And I knew I couldn't settle for anything less than that beautiful girl from UPS. She was wearing brown shorts, just a little bit tight, that made that rear end look just right. And I'm hoping and praying she'd come back my way, and I knew exactly just what I'd say. I love your big brown eyes, I love the way you walk, I love the way you smile, and the way you talk. Come on, baby, if you give me a chance, I promise you love and true romance. Yeah, baby. That's my baby from the beautiful girl from UPS. Yeah. Hey, this song was about a girl named a UPS driver in Brownsville, Texas. Her name was Eva Cruz. I've been in love with that woman for like 20, 30. Well, I ain't gonna that make it sound old there, right? At least 20 years there, right there. Yeah, baby. My beautiful girl from UPS. Yeah. Ooh.